I'm using Garnier Micellar water to clean my entire face. I'm just taking small amount on cotton pad. This will remove all dirt from your skin and make sure you not only clean your face but neck also. Now the very first step is to apply pre-bleach lotion. I'm applying pre-bleach lotion on my entire face with the help of fingers. Now this lotion will not only moisturize your skin, but it's anti-inflammatory as well. It will prepare your skin for bleach. For bleach, I'm using Cheryl Cosmeceuticals Derm bleach. It's basically a milk bleach. This bleach works for all skin type, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. You can buy this from any local market or you can order it from Amazon. Now, second step is to apply bleach cream and bleach cream activator. I have mixed both bleach cream and activator. Now make sure you mix them properly in sufficient quantity. I'm applying the mixture on my entire face and neck with the help of fingers. You can even use any face pack brush, but I prefer to use my fingers as it spreads more evenly. Now I'm starting from my upper lips to the area where bleach is required most and spreading it on my entire face and neck. Now make sure you leave your under eye area. Once you are done, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off with cold water. After rinsing off the bleach with cold water, last step is to apply post-bleach lotion, which soothes the irritated skin, which may appear in the form of redness. Now take sufficient amount and apply it on your entire face with the help of fingers. Let it dry. Now you can see my skin is bleached properly, especially the upper lips and the side lobe.